Live from Asmara, this is ERi-TV English News broadcast for Saturday evening, 25 July. The time is 10:30 p.m. Good evening to you, and let's begin with the top stories. Eritrean Community Festival in the Netherlands. Preschool enrollment increasing in the central region. Democratic Republic of Congo Ebola case amount to 2,905. Fire rage outside Madrid as Spain declares national emergency. Thank you for joining us. Proceeding with our reports. The Eritrean Community Festival in the Netherlands was colorfully conducted on 18th and 19th of July in Amsterdam. At the festival, which was officially opened by Mr. Negasi Kassa, Eritrea's ambassador to the European Union and the Benelux countries, Mr. Zerai Gabru, chairman of the Eritrean community, and Mr. Issa Menase, head of the Public and Community Affairs, said that colorful festivals being celebrated by the Eritrean community attests to the strong unity and resilience of the Eritrean people. They also congratulated the Eritrean people and government. Mr. Kibra Abtewolde, head of the Consulate Affairs, said that contributing to development projects is the responsibility of every citizen, as demonstrated by the strong participation observed in organizing the festival. Ambassador Negasi also conducted a seminar for the participants focusing on the objective situation in the homeland, regional and global developments, as well as the contribution of Eritrean communities to national development programs. The festival featured sport competitions, traditional clothing fashion shows, children's program, as well as cultural and artistic performance by the cultural group from Eritrea, among others. At an activity assessment meeting conducted by the Southeastern Branch Office of the Ministry of Education in the Central Region on 23rd July, it was reported that preschool enrollment is increasing from time to time. Mrs. Askalu Fusahaye, head of the branch office, said that students' enrollment in schools in general is encouraging and has significantly contributed to the development of the teaching learning process, noting that the investment being made by the government in preschool education has made a significant contribution to the overall development of children. Mrs. Askalu said that children's preschool enrollment increased by 10% last year. Mr. Mesfun Weldeselase, head of the Administration and Finance at the Education Office in the Central Region, said that encouraging results have been achieved so far and called for their preservation. The participants conducted extensive discussions on the topics raised at the meeting and adopted various recommendations, including strengthening relations among parents, students, and teachers, as well as organizing sustainable upgrading training programs for teachers, among others. Those were local news updates. Global affairs will follow as we come back. The Democratic Republic of Congo has recorded 2,905 confirmed Ebola cases with 1,269 deaths, the health ministry said in an update yesterday. The sharp rise in cumulative figures was mainly due to the integration of harmonized database from eastern province of Ituri and North Kivu into the national database, including previously encountered cases, the ministry said. The country's Prime Minister, Judy Suminwa Tukula, said many patients were arrived at health facilities only after developing severe symptoms, making treatment more difficult. She said the government would strengthen community training and awareness campaign to encourage suspected patients to seek medical care at an earlier stage. The government had allocated $50 million to the Ebola response, with priority given to laboratories, medical equipment, community surveillance, and patient care, she added. Meanwhile, the University of Oxford announced yesterday that the first volunteer had been vaccinated in the world's first human trial of a vaccine designed to protect against the Bundibugyo Ebola virus strain responsible for the current outbreak. Aerial footage released by the Spanish Civil Guard yesterday, July 24, showed thick smoke blowing around the residential area outside Madrid. More than 19,000 people were ordered to evacuate from towns in the mountain west of Madrid, as more than 2,000 personnel and 10 aircraft struggled to prevent different fires from converging, Interior Minister Fernando Grande Marlaska said. The country also declared a national emergency, the first ever over a wildfire. More than 29 major fires have broken out in Spain so far this year, damaging a surface area 5 times greater than in 2025, when a record area was destroyed, Environment Minister Sierra Exen said. More than 63,000 people have been evacuated or ordered to remain indoors as multiple wildfires continue to spread across central Spain, with authorities warning that one of the country's largest active blazes has exceeded current firefighting capacity. The national emergency remains in effect in the Madrid region and the neighboring province of Ávila, where several major fires have emerged in a single large wildfire driven by extreme heat, strong winds, and dry vegetations. China yesterday launched a Legion-1 Y-15K rocket, sending 5 satellites into space, with 2 of them equipped with advanced AI large models in pioneering effort to expand AI application to space. The model enables the satellite to manage itself, as it can autonomously complete multiple in-orbit tasks such as monitoring the satellite status, as well as planning and executing onboard missions for a single satellite or a satellite cluster. The Shig-1-203 satellite carrier 3 AI meteorological models, which can improve efficiently and precision of forecasts for sudden weather events like short duration torrential rains and strong winds. It typically takes conventional meteorological satellite 90 minutes to transmit weather data to ground stations after recording it. The ground team also needs time to parse and correct data before releasing the forecast, resulting in slow data refresh rates. The workflow is efficient enough for conventional weather service, but falls short of demand to issue timely forecasts for abrupt weather events. On May 14, 2025, the first batch of 12 computing satellites of the 3-body computing constellation successfully entered orbit. According to the plan, the constellation will reach a scale of 100 satellites by 2027. We're about to end our news broadcast, but here's a final look at the top stories before signing off. Eritrean Community Festival in the Netherlands. Preschool enrollment increasing in the central region. Democratic Republic of Congo Ebola cases amount to 2,905. Fire rates outside Madrid as Spain declares national emergency. And that's all with the news for the session. On behalf of the entire news crew, thank you for watching. Salim Bahana signing off. Have a great night.